Hey everybody, this is Nacho Korea, the tutorial. Okay. So he's like, what's Desi Nach? And then he's like, what's that or something? That's the cue to start. So it's gonna be kick your foot out and then jump into a squat. So kick, jump. It's kind of fast. Hands, clap, down. Okay? So clap, down. That's 1, 2 from here. Hands, 3, 4, 1, 2, or just 1. So no. Yeah, just 1. It's like show off. So then this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, hands on the hips, and bring your right foot up. Okay, like that. 1 and 2. Okay, so it's gonna be a 1 from here. Roll your wrist around like that. 2. Okay. So together. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Okay. Now from here, take the left foot, bring it left, back, right, cross, and left in front, and this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the hands is just shake like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then bring your right hand out like that, and then bring the left hand out like this. Okay. So right is like that, left looks like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4, there's a jump. So right when you land on 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump like that. Okay. Jump. Bring your right foot back. Squat. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. You want to do this kung fu pose, I guess, like that. 1, 1, 2. It's really quick. It's a 2 count. So, and the song's already fast. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now from here, bring the right. 1, 2. The hands can be anything, but it's step off with the right, step on the left. Now from here, okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2. You're gonna step, jump, and bring your left knee up. And jump and bring your right knee up, okay? While you're turning your body left and right. So 1 and 2. Hands, elbow, elbow. So 1, 2, and okay. Now from here, right hand comes up, left hand down here. Thrust, 2, and thrust to the left. Not thrust, jump. So just a mini hop. I'm traveling from here to here, like that. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right after this, you're gonna kick. So kick. Bring this left foot back. Kick right. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. And then after you bring it, 1, 2. You're gonna switch. 1, 2. Okay. And that's you're done the first part. So the hands for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand's out. 1, 2. Making a circle with my elbow. Okay. 1, 2. And then I clap. 1, 2. Clap and clap, clap. Okay. So hit. And then we walk. Okay, so that's part 1. Let's run it real quick. Let's go slowly. Ready? What's Nach? Desi Nach. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. See, even I forget. And then this. Okay? That's the last step. Don't forget like me. Okay? Let's move on. Um, there's gonna be some pause, some time, where we regroup. The next thing we should do, take the right shoulder, bring it back, round, and then left, bring it back, round. Okay, so 1, 2, and now bring the left one, 1, and bring the right one back. So it'll be like 1, 2, turn, 1, 2. Okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright? 1, 2, now the hook step comes, okay? So what we're doing now, kick right, you're gonna jump on your left, kick right, okay? Right, kicking to the left, and you're gonna kick out, and you're gonna kick back, and kick down, okay? That's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, my body is slowly turning to the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now from here, I'm gonna switch. Now your left is in front. I'm gonna switch again. Right is in front. Now you wanna do a lunge. So lunge. Bring your head down a little. Now back to the right. Okay? And when the right comes, you wanna flick your foot to the left, like that. 1, 2. Okay? So that's head, 1, 2. You might be holding on to someone, so 1, 2. Okay. So all together, real quick. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay? Alright, that's the first part, the hook step. Next part, we do that 2 times. For sure I got to mention that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and again, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and now from here, you want to squat like this. Okay, jump into a little squat like that. So jerk, and the hands like that. Clap. Right hand's up, left hand, clap down. So here, 1, 2, 1. Now from here, bring this left hand like that. Okay, like this. So, and this right hand is going up like that. Okay, like this. So 1, 2, and 1, 2. The leg is just stomp up, bring your left leg up, stomp, bring your right leg up. Okay? So only the legs, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? The hands, 1, 2, clap again, and bring your right hand, right elbow back, left hand up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here, legs just kick, kick, kick. Okay, so 3 kicks. Hand is rolling the right, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's 1, 2. I'll cross on the 3rd. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you want to jump to this position, to the right. Right side, my body's facing right, my legs facing to the back. So 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, the hands like this. Keep it like this. Okay. Yeah, the thumbs out. Doesn't matter. Now from here, you want to keep your weight on your left and jump. Bring your right foot up. 1 and 2 and like that. Okay. Bring your right foot back. 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2 and. Okay. So the hand for that is punch in, out, elbow, punch in, and then out, elbow. Okay. The last and 1 and 2, jump straight, because we're going to do this again. Okay. So from the beginning, that's it. That's the second part of the choreo. So from the beginning, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Okay. and 1, and 3, and 4, and 9. Punch, and punch, and, okay? The last one we can stay like this, alright? The very last count. And then we walk around, and then walk to a different position. Just get hyped, the music builds up. So, we do some garba. We can shake even more, you know? Shake the heads. We can all get in a group, bounce. Really, whatever, you know. We'll see how it goes, but after that, we're all gonna just do one step, and that's kicking front and back. But people are gonna fall, so you don't have to do all of it. It's very tiring, so you wanna. There's like 8 counts of resting when we're getting hyped, and then you wanna kick right foot forward, and kick back. Okay, and keep doing that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. The hands doesn't matter, but people are gonna fall down. This is the scene where people fall down after like 4 counts, after 8 counts, and then there's just gonna be me, my brother, and I fall down. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can fall down however. Trip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter. That's it. Hope you learned it. Good job.